What if you want to share your post, your note, your reel or story to people that you choose can see it? So not to everyone, only to special people can see it. So in Instagram, there's this function called creating a close friends. So once you created the close friends, certain posts you can limit the view to only your close friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a close friends list on Instagram. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel right now so they can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my phone and let me show you how you can create a close friends list on Instagram. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, open up your Instagram app. Now take note, I have two different Instagram accounts. One of them with me being in the green background, another one is me in the yellow background. This is for me to show you which one that I put it into close friends list. Okay, so now how to edit or create a close friends list. So you can see, just open up Instagram app at the bottom right, click on your profile. I'm using an iPhone, it should be same in Android as well. At the top right, click on the three lines where you open up a menu, and then you scroll down. You should be able to see who can see your content, and then tap on close friends so you can see which people you wanted to add as your close friends. So the first two is actually my wife. So let's go to me, you know, the one with the yellow background, another me. Alright, so I click on that and done. So when you go to your close friends list, you can see that all three are there. You can remove, just click on the same thing, remove. Alright, just put it on here. Okay, so the people won't be notified when you add or remove them from your list. You can update your list at any time. So why do we want to do this? We can limit our post, note, reel or story, so only people on the list can see it. Alright, let me show you an example. What's so special about being in a close friends? Okay, let's go to my Instagram main page. If you notice in stories, sometimes you see there's a green circle around that person. That means that they put you into their friends list, their close friends list, and they only allow you to see their stories. Let me show you an example. Okay, for example, I've added myself, right, my another account as a friend. So I just need to click on plus icon. I just put in another, for example, my X-ray. Okay, and you can see at the bottom right, only close friends. So when you click on it, you can see, right, the color is different, it's green. So this icon, you can only be seen by close friends. You can see here, right, only these three people can see it. Okay, let me just open my another account. Okay, now you see this is my another account where it's the yellow profile, right, the yellow color profile. And you can see here, you can see the stories is green. Yeah, that means only close friends can see. Alright, so this is how you can create a close friends list, and why you might want to consider putting it there so that you can have private content just for them.